Alright, so we're going to be unboxing this new pet bed from Amazon Basics. This is actually intended for dogs, but with this layout that we have here with this couch, this L couch, you kind of want to put, I was thinking, put this dog bed right here. We have had in the past the cat tree from Amazon Basics, which we've since donated, but it was quite nice. I mean, they make some decent pet products. So this is supposedly a memory foam type thing. I guess this would be like the edges of the bed, but there's a kind of like a memory foam base. Yeah, and I guess this is going to be going around the edges. And it's got a cover too. You can see the cover.
She won't get off of it unless she has to play. Other than that, you'll catch her resting the whole time. Make sure to check it out.